Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting future of artificial intelligence. Now, AI is something that's been talked about a lot, but it feels like things are really starting to accelerate. So in this video, we're going to break down some of the biggest trends from how it's changing our daily lives to the ethical challenges we need to be thinking about. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious about what's next, this video's for you. So hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, and let's get started. AI might sound like sci-fi, but it's already a big part of our lives. When was the last time you asked Siri or Alexa for help? That's AI, but this is just the tip of the iceberg. AI is making our homes smarter and more personalized. Imagine your fridge ordering groceries or your thermostat adjusting itself. Technology seamlessly integrating into our routines. And it's not just our homes. AI is transforming the way we work, automating repetitive tasks, freeing us for creative work. More time for problem solving and innovation. In healthcare, AI helps detect diseases earlier. And in transportation, self-driving cars are becoming a reality. AI promises safer roads and reduced traffic. AI is also in everyday devices, making them smarter. Your smartphone camera uses AI for incredible photos. From personalized learning to smart cities, AI's benefits are vast, but we must address data privacy, bias, and job impacts. One of the most exciting areas of AI research is natural language processing, or NLP. NLP teaches machines to understand and communicate using natural language. Think about Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant. They understand us, even with different accents. The future of NLP goes beyond basic commands. AI will understand nuances, sarcasm, and humor. Imagine having natural conversations with AI, asking complex questions, and getting detailed answers. That's the power of NLP. NLP can break down language barriers, making communication accessible to everyone. Real-time translation tools make it feel like you're speaking the other person's language. AI-powered tools can help people with disabilities communicate more effectively. AI can generate text that's practically indistinguishable from human-written text. AI systems can write news articles, poems, and even movie scripts. AI can help write reports, craft marketing copy, and create personalized stories. As AI generates human-like text, we must be wary of misinformation. It's crucial to be critical thinkers and discern fact from fiction. As AI automates tasks, we must consider the future of work. Embrace AI as an opportunity. AI frees us to focus on creativity, critical thinking, and problem solving. The future of NLP is exciting and will shape our world. So, we've talked about AI in our homes and workplaces, but now let's dive into one of the most promising areas of AI application: healthcare. This is an area where AI has the potential to truly revolutionize patient care and improve health outcomes for everyone. One of the most exciting areas is in early disease detection. AI algorithms are being trained to analyze medical images like X-rays, kinetic scans, and MRIs with incredible accuracy, often surpassing human radiologists. We're talking about catching cancer, heart disease, and other serious conditions at their earliest stages when treatment is most effective. Researchers are developing AI-powered tools that can analyze massive amounts of patient data to identify patterns and predict potential health risks. This is known as predictive analytics, and it has the potential to transform the way we approach healthcare. Imagine a world where your doctor knows you're at risk of developing a certain condition before you even show any symptoms. This kind of early intervention could be a game changer, allowing doctors to personalize treatment plans and potentially prevent diseases from developing in the first place. AI is also being used to improve patient care in countless other ways. For example, AI-powered chatbots can provide patients with 24/7 access to medical information, answer their questions, and even help them schedule appointments. And in hospitals, AI-powered robots are assisting surgeons in the operating room, performing complex procedures with incredible precision. These robots can reduce the risk of human error and improve patient outcomes. But as with any new technology, there are also challenges to overcome. One of the biggest challenges is ensuring that AI algorithms are trained on diverse data sets that are representative of the entire population. Another challenge is ensuring that AI is used ethically and responsibly in healthcare. Despite these challenges, the future of AI in healthcare is incredibly bright. Chapter 4: The Rise of the Machines, Autonomous Systems. Alright, let's be honest, when most people think about AI, one of the first things that comes to mind is robots, right? More specifically, autonomous systems, machines that can operate and make decisions on their own without human intervention. One of the most visible examples of this is self-driving cars. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, and Cruise are pouring billions of dollars into developing autonomous vehicles, and we're already starting to see test fleets on the roads in certain cities. Now there are still a lot of kinks to work out, and it'll likely be a while before self-driving cars are commonplace, but the potential benefits are huge. Imagine a world with fewer accidents, less traffic congestion, and more efficient transportation overall. And it's not just cars either. We're also seeing the development of autonomous trucks, drones, and even ships. These advancements have the potential to revolutionize logistics, making it cheaper, faster, and more efficient to transport goods around the world. In manufacturing, robots are already being used extensively to automate tasks and increase efficiency. And as AI gets more advanced, we can expect to see even more robots in factories and warehouses, taking on more complex tasks and working alongside human workers. Farmers are increasingly turning to autonomous tractors and drones to help with tasks like planting, spraying, and harvesting crops. This can help to increase yields, reduce labor costs, and minimize the environmental impact of farming. The development and deployment of autonomous systems must be done responsibly and ethically. We need to ensure that these systems are safe, reliable, and operate in a way that benefits humanity as a whole. Chapter 5. The Ethics of AI Navigating Uncharted Territory. Now, as we venture further into the age of AI, it's not just about the cool tech and the amazing possibilities. It's also about the ethical considerations, the potential pitfalls, and the responsibility that comes with creating technologies that have the power to reshape our world. One of the biggest concerns with AI is bias. AI algorithms are trained on massive data sets, and if those data sets are biased, the algorithms themselves will be biased too. This can lead to unfair or discriminatory outcomes, especially in areas like hiring, lending, and even criminal justice. That's why it's crucial that we're intentional about creating diverse and representative datasets and that we're constantly auditing AI systems for bias. Another ethical consideration is privacy. AI systems often rely on collecting and analyzing vast amounts of data about our behaviors, preferences, and even our emotions. While this data can be used for good, it also raises concerns about surveillance and the potential for misuse. It's crucial that we have clear regulations and safeguards in place to protect our privacy in the age of AI. And then there's the question of accountability. When AI systems make decisions, who's responsible if something goes wrong? These are complex questions with no easy answers, but they're questions we need to be grappling with as AI becomes more sophisticated and autonomous. The development and deployment of AI is a balancing act. By addressing these ethical considerations head-on, we can harness the power of AI to create a more just, equitable, and prosperous future for everyone. Chapter 6. The Future of Work. Adapting to an AI-driven world. Now, one of the hottest topics surrounding AI is its potential impact on the job market. AI and automation have the potential to displace workers, especially in fields that involve repetitive or rule-based tasks. But instead of fearing the future, I think it's more productive to view this as a period of transition, an opportunity to adapt and evolve alongside technology. Throughout history, technological advancements have always disrupted the job market. The invention of the printing press, the steam engine, the computer, each of these innovations led to the decline of certain jobs, but also created a whole bunch of new ones. And I believe the same will be true for AI. Yes, some jobs will be automated, but new jobs will emerge, jobs that require uniquely human skills like creativity, critical thinking, problem-solving, and emotional intelligence. The key is to be adaptable, to embrace lifelong learning, and to focus on developing the skills that will be in high demand in an AI-driven world. We'll need people who can design, develop, and maintain AI systems. But it's not just about technical skills. We'll also need people who can bridge the gap between humans and machines. Folks who understand both the technical aspects of AI and the human implications. The future of work in an AI-driven world won't be about humans versus machines. It'll be about humans and machines working together, each playing to their strengths. By working together, we can create a future where AI benefits everyone and where no one is left behind. The future is AI, so that's a wrap on our exploration of the future trends in artificial intelligence. From revolutionizing healthcare to transforming transportation and reshaping the job market, AI is poised to have a profound impact on every aspect of our lives. It's a future full of exciting possibilities but also important ethical considerations that we need to address head-on. The key takeaway here is that AI is a tool, and like any tool, it can be used for good or for bad. It's up to us, as a society, to ensure that we're developing and using AI responsibly, ethically, and for the benefit of all humankind. What are your thoughts on the future of AI? Are you excited about the possibilities, or do you have concerns about the potential downsides? Let's keep the conversation going in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos on the future of technology.